Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look. Today I'm going to be concentrating mostly on the eye look using the Annette69 Beauty Creations collaboration. This is the palette that I'm going to be using. It's so easy, guys, and so simple. You guys have to see how I did it. It's literally using 3 colors from this palette. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. So this is how the palette looks. It's a really sturdy cardboard. It's made out of it has like a gloss finish on top, and it says Annette69 Beauty Creations, and I bought the entire kit, and it has a mirror like that. These are the colors it comes with. Beautiful colors, really bright pigmented, and it also has these glitters as well on the bottom. So I'm going to use 3 shades from this palette. You're going to use this beautiful green called Dinero, this color right here, which is like a turquoise, called Boss, and we're going to be using Fire as well. I've already created this look before in my previous video, trying the Maybelline foundation, and I wanted to just use different lashes because those lashes were a little too much for the look. But I wanted to recreate it just because it was so pretty, and I wanted to show you guys more in depth. So I'm going to go closer to my eyes so you guys can see better what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this brush from Morphe. This is the M441. I really recommend this one because it's a really good blending brush. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this green called Dinero. And a little bit will go a long way. And this is going to be our transition shade. I was going to use a brown, but it's going to make things a little muddy. So just start with a very light hand. And we're going to add that on the kind of like when you go like that, on the crease, but a little further up. And we're going to extend that green to kind of make it into a cat eye. Just go back and forth. Circular motions is the ideal way to blend all this out so it's not a harsh line. So I grabbed a little more, and I'm going to go a little further down. So this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash line, the outer corner, and I'm going to grab the same brush and just kind of pinch it like that with one finger. Just go towards the middle of the eye. So this is how Dinero looks. That's the first shade, and that again is the transition color. I'm going to go ahead and grab Boss with Morphe M167, and this is just to pack the color on. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it. This one's very pigmented. And I'm going to go ahead and just pack it on. And I also really like to use my finger to make it even more pigmented. Actually, I may have to do that. I'm going to go ahead and grab it with my finger. And I'm going to drag that all over the lid. Not drag it, but pack it on by pressing the eyeshadow on the lid. So just like that, I'm going to go ahead and kind of clean my brush from Dinero. I'm going to grab the Boss here just to kind of blend it out a little bit, just so I don't have that lid color just super blunt there. So this is how Boss looks all over the lid, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this same brush and add it really close to the lash line on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my brush from Boss. Now we're going to be using this color right here, which is Fire, and we're going to do this super lightly because this is very dark and it's very pigmented. So just lightly. Kind of see on the brush if you have the pigment. We're going to tap it and we're going to grab that color and use it on the outer corner of the eyeshadow just to kind of deepen it. I'm going to go ahead and add whatever's on the brush to the lower lash line, and I'm going to keep on kind of dragging it to make that cat eye, to elongate your eye. And right now I'm really just perfecting everything so they kind of even out and look the same. I'm going to go ahead and grab that Boss again, which is the blue, and tap it one more time in the center. Just, it seems like I kind of lost it along the way, just to make it brighter. And kind of look at yourself further away to see if they do match up. So yeah, they kind of do look even now. So this is what the eyeshadow looks. Super easy. You just have to take your time because these are really bright colors. And again, at first we used De Niro all over the crease to kind of make it our transition color. Then we used the color Boss over the entire lid. And then we used Fire to kind of darken it up. And this combination is so beautiful. It's very tropical. I am actually going to show, because I never do my eyeliner on camera. I've already done this one, and it's super easy. First, I just align the top of my eye, which I've done on this eye. And hopefully you guys can, this is just so you guys see a little bit how I do it. It's really hard to so you guys can see, and then me do it. So I've already lined my top lash line, and all I'm going to do is make a little line. You see, it's so hard. And I'm going to kind of direct it towards the end of my eyebrow. Just like that. So I've made a line. Now I'm going to make a little triangle and fill that in. And I'm not going to start towards the end of the line that I just did. I'm going to start towards a little further down. So I've already made my triangle. And you kind of want to see both at the same time to even them out. Sometimes the triangle is thicker on one side, or the top line is thicker. And that is it. And I try to make the inner line here thinner than the outer line right here when you first drag it. So that is essentially it. I've been doing eyeliner for years and years. It is something that you have to practice. I don't recommend this for first time users. I recommend something with a felt tip, like the Stiletto, I don't know if it's Maybelline or L'Oreal. That one is perfect for beginners just because it is felt tip and it has a more steadier applicator than the brush. So brush is more if you have more experience. So that is the eyeliner. I always do the same wing on every look. Unless I mess up, then I do like a super thick eyeliner. If you see me with thick liner, you're like, oh my gosh, you messed up. So this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. I always recommend this one because since I do my makeup in the morning super fast, I can essentially do 2 swipes of this and I'm good to go, just because it applies plenty in one swipe. So I already did my top lashes. I'm going to go ahead and with the remainder, I don't put it inside the tube anymore. I'm going to do the bottom with what's left over. So that's how my eye looks with mascara. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. So I have my lashes here from Kiss. I'm going to go ahead and remove from the edges. I already know for the most part how many I removed. I'm going to go ahead and grab them. I do have these tweezers that really make it easy that are also Kiss. They look like that, and I bought them at CVS. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my lash with my tweezer, and I'm going to use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. I bought that one at Walmart. And this glue really makes the lashes stay the entire day. Just like that. I'm going to allow the lashes to get tacky. If you place these on your lash line immediately, you're going to struggle a lot. You need to allow it to get sticky. So maybe about a minute, and then you just plop them on top and kind of slide them, but not yet. You just need to allow them to get a little tacky. So I've already waited enough time. All I'm going to do is plop it towards the center. And then I'm going to use my tweezers and kind of place the lashes closer to the lash line. So right now they're where they should be. And now I'm going to grab the tweezers and just kind of squish both of them together. So just like that, these are the lashes, and I think these look way better than the ANNETTE69 for this particular eye, just because it's so dark. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. You guys know that my favorite go-to is the Jeffree Star Leo color, just because it looks perfect on my skin color and it goes with every eye look. And I've been trying, I can't throw this one away, because especially now that we can't even go shopping, I do have an extra one, a backup. So this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and do some face mist from MAC. Ooh, this feels so good. And let that sit. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. I'm not sure what top I'm going to wear, but I'm going to go do that, and I will be right back. So this is how my makeup turned out. I am really liking it. I love the eyes, especially with these lashes. I feel like you can really just enjoy the eyeshadow and look at it more. So this is how it turned out. I have really been loving this eyeshadow. These are really bright, colorful eyeshadows. So if you're not into that, I don't know if you would completely like it. But it does have Unstoppable, which is a brown color, and Muffin. It does have this super pretty silver as well. So it's a beautiful palette. I have used 420 glitter before, but I feel like I need to practice and use them a little more just to get the hang of it. But so far, these 3 shades made this eyeshadow look beautiful. Eyeshadow that I did today. And again, this is the ANNETTE69 collaboration with Beauty Creations. I did use the highlight from ANNETTE69 as well, the same one. And this is the second time I've used it, and let me tell you, this is a very versatile color that I feel like anyone could use. Oh shoot, I need to fix this. A little bit on my nose. And it has a mirror as well. Actually, I didn't even see that. I love highlight. It's one of my favorite steps to do. So that is the eye look. This highlighter is, what is it called? I guess it just is highlighter, but it's a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm assuming they still have this collaboration in the Beauty Creations website. Beautiful palette, love it. So this is how it turned out. If you guys happen to like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any videos you guys want me to do as well. And follow me on Instagram, especially in this quarantine of the coronavirus. I know we're all home. I'm definitely home. So in my type of job, I'm lucky enough to be able to work at home. So thankfully I am able to work at home, but I feel like I haven't even gone out of my house. So it is really important to exercise, to eat really well. And you know, I decided to do this look because I've been in PJs. Like, I haven't done my hair, I haven't done my makeup. I've looked super, super fodonga. So this is the first time in a week that I've actually done my makeup and hair and not worn PJs. So it is really important for everyone to just, you know, although this is a very difficult time, that we have to, you know, do things that kind of make us, you know, lift our spirit a little bit. So everyone be safe. Again, make sure to like this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome day. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.